Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101 and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're going to do a 1-minute walkthrough of the Selene Luxury Residences. This is their one bedroom. Isn't this just gorgeous? So we walked in, it's this beautiful kitchen with this really subtle, gorgeous cabinets that are here. You've got really a lot of beautiful granite countertops, quartz countertops with some very nice undermount lighting that's there. Really pretty appliances. Those are Bosch appliances with gas. It's just a gorgeous kitchen. And then you've got it. It doesn't stop there. There is so much here. There's a beautiful built-in bar area. It's really rather large. It's very nice. There is a wine fridge there too. And then there are some spaces that you can have built-in chairs easily for seating, but then you also have plenty of space for another breakfast table. You've got a beautiful living room area here too. Feels very big. There's no cramping at all. It almost feels like they need to add things in here. That's how big it is. It's a beautiful apartment. Also, the bedroom looks like this. It's just sunny, so nice. Not only are the windows shining a lot of light in, but you've got some beautiful lighting, a lot of it outside here on the ceiling. And then you also have a really pretty bathroom. The bathroom is here. It's gorgeous. You've got a beautiful walk-in shower also with a bench. That's all here. And then you've got a great closet. The closet is very substantial. There's a lot of storage in here. So just absolutely love this. I love everything about this. Really pretty apartment at the Selene Luxury Residences. Hey, if you want to get more information about this, send me a text. Just use the number below. And I look forward to hearing from you about the tour